This planet is facing a shortage of clean drinking water, 83 fires a year, worldwide global drought, monster storms, overflowing sewage, and insane legislation like allowing mining waste in drinking water. That's crazy. So what do I do as the Earth Warrior to fight this? Every time you flush a toilet, you use a lot of water. So I find a special place where I can pee for this planet, and I go outside and I pee for this planet. And how could anybody do what I just did to our president? I'll tell you why. 85,000 children a year with brain cancer, fetal birth defects, and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma in adults. Glycophosphates, Roundup. He took the pen that he reversed Obama's pesticide ban with, handed it to the president of Dow Chemical with a smile. He's cursing all these children with brain cancer and fetal birth defects and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Who is for all these crazy things, cursing the American public? This is insane. There is only one leader on the entire planet who disputes the 97% of the scientists who believe in climate change. Somehow Trump thinks that NASA, our own space agency, satellite photos of the two polar caps melting, polar bears having to swim 80 miles to get to their ice floes, many of them dying because they're bears, not whales, China, rising oceans, oceans that are 4 degrees warmer, 3 feet higher, creating monster storms because they're adding 20% more moisture in the air, fires all over the planet, the sun, the moon, the tide, the Australia's Great Barrier Reef bleaching, all got together to create a hoax of climate change for Trump, just for Trump. It's insane. And you know the place that's most at risk, the city that's most at risk for climate change is Miami. Beijing not far behind, Washington, D.C. not far behind, New York. But in Florida, they're getting hit with these monster storms. The beaches are eroding. They already have pumps pumping seawater out of city streets. And they say this is not real. It's crazy. He's passed over 75 legislations to make climate change worse. He's eliminated the EPA clean air standards for cars. Crappier cars mean more money at the pump for us. Why would he do this? 75. Eliminating carbon taxes. Allowing more crap in the air. He's done 75 things to make climate change worse. So I ask you, there's only one country on the planet that benefits from climate change. And that country is Russia. Already, the Siberian tundra is melting, and Russia has discovered huge mineral deposits, oil, gas. They now have a mammoth tusk business that's exploding. They love climate change because when Siberia is 72 degrees, Arizona, California, Florida, we're going to be 132 in 10 years. It's happening a lot faster than people realize. This is the Earth Warrior. So please go outside and pee for the planet.